So today I'm fitting a new Bundy alarm system. Hub, nice. Contact sensors for the doors and windows, 4 motion sensors, nice. That's the outdoor siren. Once we've got it through, following the easy installation instructions, oh God, mwah, delicious. So we're going to connect to my Wi-Fi, I download the app on my phone. Once I do that, this will sync up to that, and then we can start pairing all of our door sensors, PIRs, and our outside bell box as well. Just pull the tab off, there's a QR code. As soon as you scan this, it tells you to pull the little tab out to activate the battery. So we can either wall mount it with the screws on the bracket, or we're just going to use the sticky back. It's a pairing frenzy, so we've got all the sensors up. One there, I'll show you around in a second. And it's exactly the same, take the lid off, scan the QR code, pairing up, you take the battery tab out, so it's going to be the same with everything. And then we can mount the door and window sensors up and see how that gets on. Door sensors on, front and back. Right, so we're pretty much set up and done. Super happy, super chilled with it all. It's been an easy process. It's been no faffing with internet connections, no pairing up sensors. It's been a doddle. Me and Adam, which is here, just did a little test on it. And what's a very cool feature, because obviously it's set up to your phone, your email and everything, is once we set the siren off, not only did I get a text message and a notification alert from Bundy's app, I also got a phone call. An automated phone call to say your alarm's gone off in the house, blah, blah, blah. And I was like, because I ended up going, oh, hang on, I've got a phone call. Answered the phone, hello. And it was Bundy. So very cool, very stylish, very sleek, very happy.